Hey baby carrots, this is going to be a little bit of a what not to do when spray painting video. You definitely want to start with the background and then kind of work and build on top of that. But one thing you really want to avoid is putting too much paint on your paper or canvas, because then it starts to puddle. Also, you are going to want to make sure that you shake that can really, really well. A lot of times, most manufacturers do recommend, I think, about a minute and shaking it vigorously for that long. You can probably get away with less, but if it's fairly cold, you're definitely going to want to shake it a lot more because that paint inside gets a little thicker.
If you are using a index card or straight edge or anything and you're spraying that, make sure to clean it off pretty often or you'll get those nice little drip.
And again, it might be hard to kind of tell on the camera, but if you see here, my background's still pretty darn wet. So because it's so wet, everything's just kind of blending together and dispersing. You can really see it with the stars. So if you look up towards the top, you can kind of see how those stars are just kind of spreading into the background instead of being nice little crisp stars. If you're going to be using stencils, that's another one where you want to make sure your background and paint is pretty dry, if not completely dry. I prefer completely dry when I'm really trying to get as many crisp lines as possible. Because if you don't, watch what happens when we pull this off. And again with this one, you can kind of see it pulls away the mountain. So you can either wait for it to be completely dry or keep it up off the paper a little bit. If you keep it up off the paper, you're not going to get as crisp of lines. So that's why I prefer to have my background pretty dry. Take a look at the sky. You can really see how things are just kind of blobbing out. So there you have it. Hopefully that was a little helpful for you. I know there's little things that, especially when you're trying to rush it, it's easy to do or forget to do, and it just can really affect the whole painting. So we're going to do a similar painting of all the right things to do. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. That way you can enjoy more of our future videos.